Good afternoon, folks. Welcome to SabiMakeAm channel. Please remember to subscribe to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to make air freshener. Air freshener is used to make the house smell nice. You can use it in your toilet, in your sitting room, in hospitals. It's also known as odor control. So today we are going to learn how to make air freshener from the comfort of your house. Please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Alright, so we have the ingredients here that we are going to, the items, the necessary items we are going to use to make this air freshener. Okay, the first one is perfume. These are different scents mixed together to give you can mix any fragrance you like to give you what you want. The next thing here is the thickener. We use just a little thickener so that it won't be too watery, and then it will also help it to stay for a long time. We also have color. This is optional. If you like, you can use color. If you don't like, you can leave it like that. This is a water-based color. We have two kinds of color. We have the oil-based and the water-based. So we are going to use water-based for this production. We have the menthol. The menthol will help the fragrance to stay for a long time and to also spread faster. We have the hexapon, which is an emulsifier. We also have the methanol. It will also help sustain the fragrance of the air freshener. Air freshener is necessary in homes, in offices, in conveniences, in large areas. It will help to maintain the fragrance. In hotels, wherever you have people coming in, you need an air freshener. So stay tuned as you listen. Please don't forget to subscribe to SabiMakeAm YouTube channel. Thank you. The air freshener we're going to make is 10 liters. And we're going to need some items. Okay, already remember, before you make any production, always remember to wear your personal protective equipment. Very, very important. Like you can see, I'm wearing my gloves. Okay, we will need water. This is 10 liters of water. And we'll also need our mixing rubber. We'll also need a spatula. The items we'll need are mixing bowl, water, and this is another mixing bowl too. And the items I've already explained before. Okay, right now, the first thing we are going to do is to put the fragrance. This is 75 cl of different mixed fragrance, oil-based. We're going to mix all of that into a container. As our fragrance, it smells really nice. The next thing we are going to add is our hexapon. This is our hexapon, 1/4 liter. 1/4. Okay, I'm going to add that. That's our 1/4. I'll mix it. The next thing I'm going to add is my formalin. Formalin will help it to smell nice too, and apart from that, is like it will help to kill some rodent, or not rodent, insects. It will help to kill some insects. Like if I spray this air freshener, it will kill things like cockroaches and all of that. So I'm going, this is 200 ml. I'm going to add that. That's 200. That's 400. That is 500 ml. So I just added 500 ml of my formalin to help to kill, whenever you spray it, it will kill flies and all of that. It will kill cockroaches and all of that. The next thing I'm going to add here is my alcohol, methanol. I'm going to add, this is 1 liter of it. One liter of it. And then I'll add a pinch of my menthol. I'll add a pinch of my menthol. This will help the air freshener to spread fast. Remember to add it where you have alcohol, because if you add it in water, you may not be able to dissolve it. Okay. After mixing that, I had already dissolved my antisol in water. I decided to use a thickener, which is non-instant. So I've dissolved it in water already. So I'm going to add a portion to the water. This is non-instant. If you want it to dissolve immediately, you have to dissolve it a day before you do the production, or very early, so that everything will dissolve fast, but this one will still dissolve. Okay, so I'm going to pour the mix into the water right now. Pour the mixture into the water. Mix it really well. You can see it's not too thick and it's not too light. The next thing is I'm going to dissolve my color in water first before I add. Always remember to dissolve your color first in water before you add it. Okay, thank you. And then you add your color to taste according to how you want it. If you want it too pinkish, this is pink color, you add it a lot. Add a lot of it. But I don't want it to be too deep. So I'm going to add just a little. Don't forget to dilute your color before you use. So I'm going to mix the color now. I don't want it too pinkish, so I'll add the color to the way I want it, my taste. And another thing is, always remember to sieve your products before sale. So I'm going to still add a little bit more color to that, because I want the color to be a little bit deeper than this. Okay, so I'm adding more color to this. So I'm going to store this in an airtight container and leave it for 24 hours, and then sieve it, package it, and sell. If I want to sell or use it at home, or use it in a hotel, or use it anywhere I like. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget, our channel is SabiMakeAm YouTube channel. So we are done producing and sieving our air freshener. The next step is to package and leave for 12 hours before we sell. You can see how it looks. It's not too watery and it's not too thick, and it smells really nice. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SabiMakeAm YouTube channel. See you next time. Thank you.